Hi, I'm David with Brilliance Business Solutions, and we worked with Lori McDonald to put together an Opticon 2025 Hackathon entry for Opal. CMS editors often spend significant time manually tagging articles and resources to make them searchable and filterable. The process can be inconsistent and error-prone, especially when working with large predefined category lists or a large number of CMS pages. Missing or incorrect tags lead to poor search results, lower content discoverability, and a weaker user experience. Here you can see we've got a bunch of articles and we've got a filtering tool down the left. It filters by solution or critical business issue or business model. We're going to be looking at this particular article here, the B2B Digital Commerce Toolkit, and you're going to see that when we actually filter this for Optimizely, that it goes away. It's not there. Well, why is that? The reason why is because it has not been tagged with any other tags other than articles when we have all these other tags available. It's time consuming for a admin to come in here and do this, and so we wanted to be able to use AI and put together a solution to be able to do this in a more automated fashion. We'll be focused on only certain categories in this category list because not all the categories apply to articles. So we've actually used the Optimizely Opal tool and written a interface to be able to focus just on those particular categories and the particular things that we want to do with this article. You'll see that that we're generically using a hosted tool that is on the Brilliance Web domain and the Brilliance Web servers. And we're going to come into the Opal chat here and we're going to say go and get the categories that are available for us to be able to tag an article with. Eventually, Opal will make available actions that can put together several of these steps, but for the purpose of the demonstration and not having access to the action, we're going to go ahead and do this manually by each step. When we come in here, we're going to say, look at the article, the B2B Digital Commerce Toolkit, look at that article and look at above the related articles down at the bottom. We don't want to include that, so we're going to say just determine what categories are appropriate and mark the suggestions with a confidence level for all the content above the related articles, and then we'll fire that off, and it's going to go through and as generative AI does, it kind of gives you a different answer when you ask for this. So we'll see what it actually comes back with, but what it's supposed to do is indicate the confidence level, and sometimes it actually says why it came up with that confidence level, but we'll see whether that shows or not, and then we can determine whether we like those results. It's actually extracting the article itself using an out-of-the-box Opal tool and then applying those categories. You can see that many of them are high, and the ones that it found usually it comes up with a couple mediums and lows. Here's only one medium that I'm seeing, but either way, we're going to say for the purpose of this demonstration we like those. So then we're going to say let's go ahead and just apply those high confidence matches to the article itself. It's going to use the Opal tool that Brilliance created and go and figure out what the page number is in the background. It's 3043, and then it's going to figure out what to do with applying those particular high confidence matches, and it says it's all been applied. So now when we go back over to the article itself, if we refresh this, we will see that they've all been applied, and it's more than just the article. And if we go in and refresh this as well, and now we say, hey, let's look at all the Optimizely articles, we'll see that the B2B Digital Commerce Toolkit is now included. So that's our, we think that overall will help out, help admins be able to go through and tag their articles in a much more faster way, and also we do have the capability to do multiple articles at the same time. So we think this will be a big step forward in helping admins. Thank you. Have a great day.